So, hello friends, welcome back to our own channel Exam Buddy. So, now we do the assignment of Environmental Impact Assessment Week 5. The first question in a bank finance road project, national law allows construction after a simple approval, but the environmental assessment identifies high risk to scale natural features and community culture values. Under the World Bank environmental and social framework framing, the board should, and the answer is option B. Question number 2, if a culture site is not an official national list or register, EA should automatically treated the area as no risk. Option 1 A true, option B false, and the answer is option B false. Question number 3, eminent domain most accurately means, and the answer is option B. Question number 4, if a household sign a compensation receipts, the impact cannot be considered economic or displacement, and the answer is option B false. Question number 5, in environmental impact assessment, the and environmental and social impact assessment. Resettlement most accurately refers to, and the answer is option C. Question number 6. The right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation, and resettlement Act 2013 contain a special provision to safeguard food security that restrict acquisitions of integrated multi-cropped land. Option A true, option B false, and the answer is option A true. Question number 7, under RFCTLARR Act 2013, what is the purpose of public hearing during social impact assessment? And the answer is option C. Question number 8, International Association for Impact Assessment 2015, social impact assessment guidance is mainly intended to help stakeholder, and the answer is option B. Question number 9, according to the World Bank Social Analysis Source Book, social risks may include, and the answer is option C. Question number 10, which source is an example of profession advice not specifically about photography and photomology for landscape and visual impact assessment? And the answer is option C. So now we submit the answer. C. The answer is submitted successfully. So if you want any course of assignment answer, so you have to do one thing, subscribe our channel so you get the answer in future. So goodbye, have a nice day.